Hello my friend, so here is your application. Here is the total gas consumption, here is the total gas cost, total water consumption, total water cost, electricity consumption, electricity cost, fuel consumption and fuel cost. This is for all period of time, consumption, and cost. So here is your buildings, all buildings. So you can view consumption, edit, delete. So here is a view. If you want to view cost of last 12 months, so you can click here. So it will give you a cost of last 12 month of a specific building. So this is actually in building 4. There is no data against building 4, so graph is empty. Let me show you for building 1. So here is a building 1, and if I click on a view cost button, so here you will see a chart for cost for the last 12 months. So here is the cost, and if you want to consumption of the last 12 months of a specific building, particular building, so you can click on here. So here you will see consumption of last 12 months for a specific building. So if you want to uh, mm, actually you need a graph on index page. So here is the index page and here is a graph. So if you want to building 1, and if you want to last data for last 3 months, so you can click on, so you can select on month here and click on go. So you will see a cost of building specific building of last 3 months. Here is month 1, is month 2, and here is month 3. Here is a consumption, and if you want to mm, view cost and consumption of all buildings, so you simply need to click here. So it will show you the cost and consumption of all buildings. So here is a building 1 cost, and building 2 and building 3, and building 1, building 2, building 3 consumption. So actually there is a 4 parameters that we need to display is a gas, water and electricity. That's why these 4 bar are showing. So if you need to change anything or any, please feel free to tell me, so I will change. If you need to change any color of bar, then just let me know and I will change it for you. So if you need to export building data, then you can easily export from all building. So just click on Excel or PDF, then it will be exported. So this is all building data, and if you want to export cost data or consumption data, then simply you need to export it from all cost page. So is Excel, is PDF. If you want to open, and you will see all data will be exported in Excel file. So here is, I hope you like my work, and if there is anything that need to change, and just let me know, I will change it for you. Thanks so much. Bye bye. Away.